Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video today. We got a unicorn. It is a 94.5 Ford F-250 7.3 Powerstroke, 5-speed manual, 2-owner Southern truck, super clean OBS. We're going to be cold starting. We're downtown Kansas City in the West Bottoms by the UPS facility. We're going to be doing a cold start today. We drove it about a mile to get here, and this is take 2 of the cold start. So truck's got a little bit of warmth to it, but it drives great. We're going to be checking it out. I'm going to be showing you everything you want to see. Hopping in it. Oh boy, big guys in the regular cabs. Whew. Okay, on the miles, 168,077. Wait to start just clicked off. Truck fires right up. And let's see. No check engine lights, no nothing. We service the whole truck as we do. 7.3 Powerstroke, got some new front end parts, got an ICP sensor. We checked the oil pressure from the H-pop. Everything you want to see looks good on it. Truck is low miles, very, very well taken care of. 5-speed manual. It's just that little button on there slips around, but ZF5 tranny, trailer brakes, ice cold AC, which feels wonderful. And it always amazes me in a 26-year-old vehicle when you got ice cold AC. I got buddies driving around in 2015 Denali's that don't even have a cold AC right now. Unfortunately, the stock radio is falling lost to the 26-year-old mark. It comes on and off occasionally, and it does work when it's on, but right now it is off, so I told you about that. Motor runs great. Like I said, we serviced it all head to toe. Truck is an XLT with gray interior, has the dual fuel tank option. Power windows, power locks. Excuse me. Yeah, power windows, power locks, all of them work. Windows go down and up just fine. They're not slow, they got plenty of power. Headliner's in good shape. Interior is really nice. These seats, they got some staining, some age, but 26 years old, there's no rips or tears or anything. Center console, got that upgraded vinyl for the elite class and prestige. Carpet's got some stains in it, as to be expected from a 26-year-old farm truck, and it's nothing terrible. It's a set of WeatherTechs or floor mats to make it look new. Manual 4-wheel drive as well. No messages on the information center. Truck sitting here idling great. Not a lot to complain about. We tinted the windows, factory mirrors. I have not opened these in my possession, and they don't leak at all, so I know people are concerned about those a lot of the time. All in all, it's a real nice truck on the inside. It does not look to be 26 years old. Let's go to the outside, pop the hood, walk around, check out the good details. Now, a lot of you are wondering, being a 94, that's a split year for the IDI motor and the 7.3 Powerstroke. And this, of course, is the 7.3 Powerstroke, not the IDI. I'm going to put the phone down to pop the hood. You know that sound. Sounds like a garbage disposal chewing on glass. That's a 7.3 for you. We've got a new vacuum pump booster. Vacuum pump. We replaced quite a bit under the hood that needed it. It didn't need a lot, just little odds and ends. Nice set of ever starts. Check the blow by here. Look at that blow by for a 94. That is insane. There's none. A tiny bit of moisture, but no blow by at all. Well, let's see. Other than that, we didn't clean under here. That's how we got it. Good shape, good boots. They're not leaky. All in all, real nice under the hood. And this truck runs like it looks. 168,000 miles, and it runs like it. Regular cab, 8-foot long bed, 5-speed manual. We upgraded the wheels and tires to a set of aftermarket Ion 17-inch 8-hole wheels with brand new all-terrain tires. They have a 60,000 mile warranty. These things are full of tread. Brand new wheels and tires. Like I said, we tinted the windows. We left the OG stirrups on there. It's got the original mirrors on there. Everything's pretty much original on this truck. We went through the front end. We did some ball joints, tie rod ends, put a brand new leveling kit on it. You see those new U-bolts. We serviced the brake system, the brakes, the vacuum boost. All of it serviced. It actually drives really nice for the age and miles. Now, as far as rust goes, this is a Southern truck. The bed is rust-free, the cross members are rust-free. But like most OBS Fords, they do get a little gunk on the front here, and as you can see, there's been some repairs made. Nothing crazy, but a little bit of fixture, and that's super common. These trucks collect moisture and salt right there. All of them rust out there, and then the rear. This one isn't. I'll show you that custom stirrup job while we're at it. And I do want to show you the cab corners, the vitals of this truck. Look how nice it is. That is not rusty at all. I believe this truck spent its entire life in South Carolina and Arkansas, if I'm not mistaken. So southern states, not a lot of snowy states. But yeah, really nice condition. Going down the bed here, usually these beds are just eaten out, and this one looks like it came from the factory. It's clean, it's really nice. I mean, look at these bed rails. Does that look 26 years old? Those bed rails are nice. Look at that, man, for 26 years old. I got 2010 trucks on my lot that have more rust than that. It does come with the toolbox. We're throwing that in. And the only reason being, I'm not trying to hide anything, guys. Someone had something in the bed and it slid around like a spare tire or a big old piece of metal and whacked the bed. Super common on these trucks. Toolbox kind of covers it up, but I'm pointing it out so you can see it. It ain't anything detrimental or terrible. But for 26 years old, that's pretty minor. We did smoke the tail lights out. The originals were super cloudy and broken. Tailgate's a little rough. It's something that's easily replaceable on these trucks. Someone backed into something there. It's been painted and fixed. It's not perfect, but it is what it is. Nice chrome bumper. Take a look in the bed here. It's had a bed liner in it since we got it. We didn't put this in. Truck's never had a fifth wheel hitch or a gooseneck hitch, which is amazing to me. These trucks always are used to tow big trailers. This one wasn't. No rot on the bed lip or tailgate either. Nice to see. So on this side, you'll notice we do have some scratches. Nothing terrible, but as we get closer, you can see this one kind of going down it. It disappears at 5 feet, kind of. You can see it right there a little bit, but I'm showing you now. And the bed rust on this side, just like the other side. Great condition. Exactly what you want to see. No rot on those cross members. Stock exhaust. This truck's never been tuned. Stock everything. Never modified. And you know what? I'm not seeing the second tank. It's got the switch for the 2 tanks, but I think it's only got 1 tank. Let me check. Nope. I thought they had a second door over here. It's been a while since we've done one of these OBS's, guys. Super clean on the passenger side, just like you want to see. Like I said, all in all, real nice truck, guys, for the money. Real nice truck. Head on over to the website, 816diesel.com. We're going to get you a VIN number, pictures, pricing, everything you got going through your head right now. The answers are 816diesel.com. And if you can't find the answers, call me or text me direct. My name's Cameron. 913-735-3748 is my cell phone. text me, call me. That number's on the website. Go get it, jot it down. Let me know if you want to come check this out. The last one of these we sold went to Florida in 3 days for full asking price. So these OBSs do go quick. So if you're seeing this video, get a hold of me. Let me know what I can do to help. And as usual, guys, thank you for your time. 816diesel.com. You have a great rest of your summer out there.